Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time. My name is TabbyBag. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, a new video. It's been a long time guys, so I'm happy to be back with my new video, and I want to share what I got from my birthday. So I'm really excited because of course it's a bag. So no further ado, bag of the week. I have this my MCM in denim pattern. This is a small tot from MCM in this beautiful jacquard denim bag. So yes, look, I'm using her, so I love it and I'm enjoying it since it's summer. Yes, I'm so excited with this one because this is my birthday gift that I received from my husband. Of course, I got again another bag from my daughter. This is in you know, the Crossbodybag / denimbag bag from Uniqlo in this beautiful pattern black noir. This is woman round mini shoulder bag in corduroy pattern. So yes, I'm happy. And also, yes, new bag that I want to share it with you guys. This is from Coach. It's a contemporary brand, but still I look on the price, kind of expensive still in this brand, but I'm happy to tan. So I just open it. I know the ribbon is not the same as what the essay is doing in the Coach, so I already open it. I check on it, but you know, I'm excited to do a video because I want to share it with you. So this is the bag. Yes, I do have contemporary brands. I have Michael Kors, I have Coach, I have Marc Jacobs, and this is a new bag that I'm adding to my collection. This is in a Tabby soft in denim pattern. As you can see, this is my new bag that I got from my husband, and yes, thank you so much. What nice about it's you can be shoulder bag. And there's more on this in this bag. It has 3 straps actually. So this is the first strap, the shoulder strap, and a short strap. I'll go directly to the features of the bag. Have another in leather strap and another one in this guitar strap. So I love the color of this one, guys. Look how it is. So this is in silver hardware in this guitar pattern. Also, this is the leather pattern and silver as well. So this bag, it's a lightweight bag, guys. Look, it's really light, like you don't carry heavy bags on it. It's just a normal wide compartment with one zip pocket here in here, and this is their logo. This is in Coach. And yeah, it's I don't know if you call it wash denim. So guys, let's see what fits on the bag. What can we put inside the bag? So I have my things. I bring it outside from my other bag. So this is my pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. So it fits there. We have my Brasa long wallet. So there. I have my tissue. We put it on the side. One reading glasses. Of course, I only have one. So one reading glasses. My phone I'm using currently right now is this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I'll put in there. So this, if you're gonna just carry this small things, everything's inside. So this is how it fits. This is how it looks like inside. So this is the bag, and like I'm saying, guys, the bag is not heavy. Really not heavy. So that's it. It's like that. So if you want to do shoulder bag, it goes like this. Or if you want to do crossbody bag, we're just gonna have to put the bigger strap, the longer strap, sorry. It's like this. Already adjusted the strap based on my height and my body shape. This is how it goes. So this is how it looks like on me. Told you guys, this bag, it's not heavy. Actually, this is the last one in Coach here in Coach in Carrefour Laval. Already checking on website and it doesn't exist anymore. I think it's already sold out because this is the last piece. So this is what I've got. How much is this bag? Guys, my husband told me the price because he knew that I was gonna search it eventually. So he gave it to me, and just I can exchange it if I want to, but since I don't have a Tabby, I decided to keep her since I don't have a Tabby bag, and I like the denim since it's summer. So the price of the bag original is $610. Now it's $550, so there was a discount. But of course, with the tax that went in, so it's $632.36 in total. So this is $636, guys, in price. Of course, I will not say no to this. It's a gift, so definitely I will keep this, and I'm gonna use this every summer because you cannot use this one in winter here because it's a denim pattern. So yes, that's it, guys. This is my beautiful bag. Same thing, if I want to use the leather strap, I can use it also, but it's not a guitar strap, so I can switch whatever I want on the bag. It depends on you, but I know but there's so many patterns of Tabby bags. I will put down all the samples of Tabby bags. There's in denim pattern also. There's no in denim pattern, a soft pattern, but there's no more denim. There is in leather pattern, so I will show it to you. I will put down all the photos that sample a Tabby bag. So this is how it goes. Also in the leather, not bad, but this really matches the color of the Tabby in this pattern. So that's it, guys. Hope you got an idea about this. Well, I must say, Tabby bag, it's good because you can put a lot of things. It's not a small bag because look the height. Okay, it's just the height, but almost the same what you can put. Almost the same thing what I put in my bag here with the Tabby. So it's almost the same of the jacquard one and this one. It's a good bag because you can put a lot of things in it and you can carry it nicely. If you want a leather, go to the leather. If you want to go with the soft pattern, go with the soft pattern. So this is my Tabby in this beautiful denim bag. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and hope you like this video and got an info about this denim pattern. So be safe, take care, God bless. Signing up, Sinai BB. Bye guys.